And this is Andrew over here at Destination Harley-Davidson in Tacoma. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Road Glide ST that we just got in hot off the truck. You know, I'm going to start with, this thing has the 117 straight out of the box. Harley decided to put the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight on the Road Glide ST, so you got that performance base without having to spend the CVO money. Also, it comes with the custom wheels, just like the Lowrider S, the bronze gold color with the rocker boxes to match. Yeah. All right guys, first thing we're going to talk about here is the performance that the Road Glide ST has to offer. Right here you get the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight backed up with the 6-speed transmission. The suspension on this thing is going to sit an inch taller so you can really dig into the corners and have that good performance feel. So another thing that we're going to be talking about here on the Road Glide ST is it has the new infotainment system. Very good upgrade what they did back in 2019. It's bigger, works faster, and you can use it with your gloves on. This bike is also equipped with RDRS, the Rider Defensive Reflex System. So that way when you're in a corner, it's a little wet out, the back end doesn't quite get away from you. So lastly, what we're going to talk about on this Road Glide ST is it does have the squared off bag so you can hit them corners way harder, the solo seat that really plants your butt when you twist that throttle, and then the old school dropped H Harley logo that they added on. You can get this bike in two colors, gray or black. Really, either one you can get your hands on, you better grab it. Thanks again for watching today. This is the Road Glide ST brought to you by Andrew here at Destination Harley-Davidson in Tacoma. If you have any questions, give us a call, but go ahead and like and subscribe while you're watching this, just like everybody else does.